In this video I will demonstrate the results widget and how to integrate it with the archive widget and archive paging widget. Here we have the Elementor page, and I've previously added the archive widget and the archive paging widget. Now let's add the results widget. Let's just drop it in. As you can see, it shows the result. Let's update and go to the archive page. As you can see, it says viewing 1 and 2 of 4 cafes. Let's change the page. And the viewing result also changes. Now let's try it with the filter widget. Let's use taxonomies and checkboxes. And configure the archive widget so it supports the filter widget. Let's go to taxonomies and add an item. Field sort should be query parameter. Let's click update and try and view our archive page. Let's refresh. Also need to enable the search button. Let's update and go back to our archive page and refresh. Let's search and see what happens with the paging and results. As you can see, the paging updated and also the viewing of results updated. This is how easy it is to add the results widget to the archive page. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below. Have a nice day.